Hello everyone, I'm Victoria, Communication Manager at RigExpert. We are excited to introduce you a new video series created in collaboration with a young radio amateur. Through this video, you will see how our equipment being used in real life by passionate users who love radio as much as we do. Our goal is to show authentic experiences, practical insights, and the joy of discovering what's possible with modern CDR and antenna measurement tools. Stay tuned, more videos are coming soon.
In today's video, we are going to try the Match upgradable antenna analyzer. First of all, the Match can be used under a variety of outdoor conditions, like sun, or in many other places, like on the roof, or even in a field under sunny conditions. The Match is a perfect tool you need under every condition. So, let's begin the video by deploying an antenna and testing it using the Match antenna analyzer. Now we have deployed a copper wire antenna in this tall tree. We are going to measure the SWR using the Match antenna analyzer. But first I have to say something. Sometimes tuning an antenna may be difficult, or it may be the first time learning how to tune an antenna, or even experiment with an antenna. So, with the Match antenna and frequency analyzer, we can do that very easily. Sometimes making an antenna can be frustrating. So, come here. For example, we are going to measure the SW chart from this balloon. We see that the center frequency is 16.6 and this is the best. So, let's make another scenario. We are going to use the other balloon. We are going to use this balloon, this DIY balloon. Sometimes you don't know what to expect from an antenna or even a balloon. So, we can see how they perform. Here we have a DIY balloon. So, we're going to measure the SW chart. So, this is with the previous balloon and this is with the new. Instant difference. So, with an antenna analyzer you can discover the world of antennas with this simple device. As we told, creating an antenna sometimes it's difficult. So with the Match antenna analyzer we can see the hidden world of antennas. Right now we are going to see the results of the antenna that we measured using an HF capable tuner.
Πολύ ωραία. Και εγώ πάντα περνάω στο Λευτέρι. Λοιπόν, θα σε πω. Maurizio. Quindi il zero, Luca, lui è il zero, Che poi devo essere il zero anch'io, ma presa patente nei primi.
Non ho nulla da segnalare. Ok, ti do la parola e ti novio per l'Oscar.
Frid, c'era di tutto di più.
Terrorismo, servizi segreti.
Più o meno parallelo con Giuseppe, lui ha preso il 0T e io sono arrivato con la...
So, in the world of antennas, we experiment, we discover, we fail and we success. In today's video, we learn to triple check our connections. We see that the wire broke here. Even with every failure, we learn how to be more responsible and more careful the next time we experiment with an antenna. The DY balloon I made, as you see, it broke our wire. In the next video, we are going to see how to perfect this balloon and many other uses with an antenna analyzer like the match and some simple resistors. While we discover and widen our knowledge, an antenna analyzer can be valuable because we can learn more things that we can't see. For example, this wire can be seen that is broken, but we don't know what is going inside the balloon. So with an antenna analyzer we discover everything. We see that our mistakes is a lesson. We are trying to improve ourselves while also learning new things. With the antenna analyzer we can see everything that we can't see, like this broken wire. So in the next video we are going to test this balloon that I hand winded with my hands. This is hand winded, and we are going to test it properly. Also, we are going to deploy a new antenna on the ground level. So stay tuned to find what we are going to learn in this journey. I want to thank RigExpert for sending me this device and for making me learn that our mistakes can be valuable. Bye and see you in the next video.